Now discuss the ratio method. I think this one is very simple one and easy. Okay, this is the shortcut method for finding angle between two hands of the clock when the particular time is given to us. Okay, so ratio method means you remember a particular ratio, and for that particular ratio there is a formula. Okay, for example, uh, 5:25. 5:25 means 25 minutes past 5. So you first of all find the ratio. Ratio, that means hour and minute. The ratio between what? Hour and minute. So 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5. Okay. So when you find 1 is to 5, okay, as the ratio between hour and a minute for any time. So then what is your formula for finding angle? Then theta equals to m by 2. M by 2 means 25 by 2 equals to 12.5 degree. Right? I think it is very easy one. Okay, just try to remember when the ratio is 1 is to 5. Your answer is 12.5 degree. That means you just remember when the ratio is 1 is to 5, theta equals to m by 2. M by 2 means m is the minute part. M by 2, 25 by 2, that means 12.5 degree. Right? Suppose 530. 530 means here calculate the ratio. This part is the S part, this is the M part. Hour part, minute part. Okay. So you calculate the ratio. Ratio here is 1 is to 6. 1 is to 6. Very shortcut method. This is not given in any book. Okay. So 1 is to 6. 1 is to 6 means theta here. That theta means angle. Angle between hour hand and minute hand equals to same formula m by 2. M by 2, that is 30 by 2 equals to 15 degree. Okay. You apply your normal method, geometry method, or the second method. Otherwise, another formula is also there. You just write that is the common formula. If it is not in the ratio, or it may be in the ratio, you just write another very important formula: h into 30 minus m into 11 by 2 mod. You take the positive value, theta equals to, where h is the hour part, okay, m is the minute part. This formula is applicable for all types of a question irrespective of different types of ratios. Okay, you normally apply this formula and take mod. Mod means you take the positive value. Okay, and if you find in certain ratio 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 6, just divides that minute part. That means theta equals to m by 2. 30 by 2 equals to what? 15 degree. Okay, so that means whenever the your ratio is 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 6, so theta equals to m by 2. So come to the next one. Suppose 520, right? 520. So now calculate the ratio first. Calculate the ratio. So according to a particular ratio, there is a particular formula. So here 1 is to 4. See, 1 is to 4. 1 is to 5 is completed. 1 is to 6 is completed. So now 1 is to 4. 5 into 4, that is what? 20. So 1 is to 4 ratio. Here remember theta equals to 2m. 2m. That means 2 into 20 equals to what? 40. Okay. Otherwise, you now apply the formula here. For example, you just apply this one. This formula is universal formula. This is applicable anywhere, right? So here h part is 5. 5 into 30 minus m part is 20. M part is 20 into 11 by 2. You take the what? Mod. This is equals what? Theta. So just cross check. Your answer is 40 degree. Okay. So by this above formula, you just check your answer is 40 or not, right? So here 150. So this is what? 10. That means 110. So we take the mod. Okay. So obviously 40. Yes or no? Okay. Very shortcut method. This one is a very shortcut method. When you find your time is in the ratio, that means it is the ratio between h and m. That means hour and minute. Okay. 1:4, then you apply theta equals to 2m. Okay, then suppose 618 means here what is the ratio? Here 1:3. What is the ratio? 1:3, right? So when the ratio, anytime you can take any time, suppose 7:21, so it is also is in the ratio what 1:3, right? So for that we find the formula, that means that implies that theta equals to here 4m plus m by 2, 4m plus m by 2, right? 4m plus m by 2, that means 4 into 18 plus m by 2, m means 18 again, divided by 2, that means 72 plus 9 equals to 81 degree. Okay, similarly you can find the angle for this one, no doubt. Okay, the same formula, any time is given, but the ratio is compulsory 1:3, right? You apply the formula, but 4m plus m by 2, 4m plus m by 2 for which type of ratio? 1:3 ratio, right? So 1:4, that means 2m. 1:5 or 1:6, same formula, m by 2, right? Another also, suppose you write what 540 means what is the ratio?